Okay guys, 2016 Ford F-250. It's a Lariat edition, diesel motor. Hey guys, this is a rebuilt title. Had damage right here in this side lower area. Get a good look at where the repair was and what was happening. There's a couple little door dings here. I'm sure Dent Guy can clean up here. Leather, sunroof. Tow package. Does have the tailgate step there. This bed doesn't even look like it's been used. This thing has just under 20,000 original miles. Actual miles also, even though it's a rebuild. Some tow mirrors there. Power sliding, power folding. Actually, it doesn't look like it has power folding. I made a mistake there. But it looks like it's power sliding. We'll check it out here. So it has the locking differential, so FX4 package. Let me start up here so you can see the starting sequence. So there's the miles, 19,818. No lights on the dash. All your steering wheel controls. And there's your mirror. That makes them slide in and out. So it's all working. Oh, but no, it does have a fold. So it does have a fold. I'm mistaken. So heated, cooled seats. Looks like it has navigation. Exhaust brake, cup holders. Oh, sunroof. Actually, one more thing I want to show you is the backup camera. There you go. So you can check out all our cars at tjchapmanauto.com. We are the only dealer that does the Blue Star inspection, which is on our website, 200-point third-party inspection. We do these videos for you, and we also have our window sticker so you can see all the options that originally came with. Thanks again.